Kitty thought tea was simple. Leaf, hot water, tiny emotional support beverage. But no, humans somehow created 6 completely different teas made from one plant. This is either agriculture or wizardry. Today, Kitty explains every type of tea. All true tea comes from one plant called Camellia sinensis. That's it. Green tea, same plant. Black tea, same plant. Fancy tea served in tiny cups by a man named Theodore. Still same plant. The difference is processing. Basically, humans discovered that if you stress a leaf hard enough, it becomes a different beverage. First, white tea. White tea is the least processed. Humans pick young leaves and dry them gently in the sun. That's basically the entire strategy. White tea tastes light, soft, and slightly sweet. Tea experts describe it as spring morning dew. Kitty describes it as leaf water with premium graphics. Then comes green tea. Green tea is heated quickly to stop oxidation. That's why it stays green and grassy. Japanese green tea is usually steamed, giving it a fresh ocean-like flavor. Chinese green tea is pan-fired, making it taste warmer and nuttier. Tea drinkers consume this and suddenly become productive for 11 straight hours. Then there's yellow tea, which is basically green tea, but rarer and more dramatic. The leaves are wrapped in cloth and gently mellowed. This removes some of the grassy flavor. Congratulations! Humans invented tea DLC. Next comes Oolong tea. Oolong is the chaos tea. Not fully green tea, not fully black tea, just emotionally confused. Depending on oxidation, Oolong can taste floral, creamy, roasted, fruity, or smoky. Oolong refuses to have a stable identity. Then we have black tea or red tea, depending on where you live and how argumentative your country is. This tea is heavily oxidized. The leaves darken and the flavor becomes rich, bold, and malty. This is the tea that fueled the British Empire. Entire nations ran on this leaf. Then finally, dark tea, also known as Pu-erh tea. This tea is fermented and aged for years, sometimes pressed into bricks like ancient leaf currency. Pu-erh tastes earthy, deep, and weirdly smooth. To new tea drinkers, it tastes like forest floor. To tea experts, it tastes like notes of ancient wisdom. So remember, 6 teas, 1 plant. Humanity spent 4,000 years rotating leaves in slightly different ways, and somehow built an entire civilization around it. Honestly, Kitty respects the commitment.
Hit that subscribe button if you want some more kitty knowledge.